So here we have the Leatherman Signal multi-tool. Comes in its own case here for protection it, and also protecting yourself. The case can be attached via the belt attachment here. Good secure closing mechanism on it. The features that this knife has, first of all, pliers, pincer with wire cutters. The wire cutter attachment does suit different types of wires for stripping as well. That can be replaced when it needs sharpened. Best and funkiest function in this knife that I've not seen before is this. Pull that back, push it up. You've got a whistle, quite a loud whistle for the size of it. The whistle also contains a striking rod, something I've never seen in a knife before, and I'm quite sure I'll have fun using that when we're in outdoors. The knife also has a saw, which you use the back of it for doing the striking. This locks in place. In fact, all blades lock in place. Really good, gives a good, firm, confident feel to it when you're using it. It's not going to fall over and cut your fingers. Put it back in, slide it down there, and this wee closing mechanism, pull it back and it clicks back in. That's it, back secure. Knife also has a bottle opener as well. Pull that in there, open the bottle. It's got the carabiner attachment. You can clip it to yourself for safekeeping. Also has this as well, should you want to attach a lanyard to it. This flat serrated end here, that's what the class is a hammer here. Also has a belt attachment here, holding securely. Main knife, good and plenty sharp, also locks in place here with the same style of holding mechanism that the knife does. Other functions it has are stowed away in the handle here. I have the needle for threading. This side of the blade is fairly blunt, you're not going to hurt yourself with that, but penetrate most materials. Next you have can opener. All these blades also lock as well. You release them with this lever here. Oops. Lastly, screwdriver as well. This has got both Phillips and your regular straight head for it as well. Again, it locks. Have I missed anything with this?
I think there might be a knife sharpener.
Oh, yeah, it's alright. This side of the blade here, your kind of diamond impregnated metal blade, which could sharpen it. You release this by pressing that down, sliding forward and pulling out. This would allow you to sharpen out any nicks.
Where would you take this tool? What sort of trip would you be using it on?
This would be good for any camping trip where the unexpected could arise. The downsides of the tool is a little heavy, but at the same time, that heaviness gives you the durability. Blade feels really solid. There's no loose movable parts on it. Everything's good and tight. Feels as if it's going to last. Some of the utensils on it are a bit footery. I don't think you'd have much luck with a pair of gloves on, or if it was cold, blowing hard. But apart from that, great tool.